In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and assign tasks from notes in Monday.com Docs. We'll walk through how to turn simple notes into actionable tasks that live directly inside your Monday.com workflows. This is perfect if you're taking meeting notes or brainstorming in a doc and want to make sure nothing gets lost. First, open Monday.com and go to create a new doc. You can start from an existing workspace or board, but the key is that you're working inside a Monday.com doc, not a separate tool. Once your new doc is open, you're ready to start adding content that will become tasks. Now type out your notes just like you normally would. When you see something that clearly needs follow-up, like send client proposal or update project timeline, you'll want to turn that line into a task. To do that, click and drag over the text to highlight the specific part you want to make actionable. Be as precise as you can with your highlight so the task name is clear and concise. After you've highlighted the text, look for the small formatting toolbar or contextual menu that appears. In that menu, you'll see an option related to making this an actionable task. Click on that option. This tells Monday.com that this highlighted text should become a task that you can manage and track, not just static text in your notes. Once the task has been created from your highlight, you'll typically see additional options to place it within a project or board. Click on the highlight again if needed, and choose the project where this task should live. For example, if you're working on a specific client or internal initiative, select the relevant project board so the task doesn't just float in isolation. Next, you'll want to assign the task to a more specific group or list, such as a to-do or action items section. Click on the task context again and choose the appropriate group, like a to-do group. This keeps your tasks organized and makes it easier for your team to find them later. From here, you can assign the task to a person. Click on the area where the assignee goes, then select the team member responsible for completing this item. Assigning an owner ensures accountability and makes it show up in that person's own task views. Finally, confirm that the task is linked to the right project and appears in the correct place. You can repeat this process for each important highlight in your notes, turning your entire doc into a powerful, action-driven workspace inside Monday.com.